So I'm going to do a quick overview of this Flymo Speedi-Mo 360C. I've just set this up, but I'm going to have a quick walk around it and show you the things I like and I don't like. Build wise, there's 3 parts of the grass box, plus putting a handle on, plus another part at the bottom, which is actually the worst bit to build. The other parts you've got to put on are the lower handle and upper handle, which aren't too bad. And I'll quickly start this up so you can see how it works. A safety feature where you have to press the button, then pull the lever. And as you can see, it starts up as you would expect. Also comes with these clips that you can put your wire down the edge of here. So there's a few things I like about it. The main thing I do like is the power of these machines. I've used these a few times before, but you've got the single point height adjuster, which actually goes up really quite high. So if you've left your grass far too long and you don't really want to have to trim it, you've got a really good height adjuster here. It goes really high and really quite low. The other thing I really like is this vision window, so you can see when the grass box is full without stopping all the time and having a look inside. You can actually see through this glass, which is a really great idea. The grass box is fairly easy to get on and off. It slides on okay, but the thing I don't really like about this, if you're moving it from garden to use this, is the balance of this, because where the handle is, I'm just going to unplug this because I'm going to be going near it with my hands underneath. If you go to lift this up where the handle's placed, the whole thing is really weighted one way, so you're obviously going to have to put your other hand on here. So why they've put the handle in the worst location ever, I don't really know, but just be aware if you do want to move this about, you're going to need to hold it in these 2 different places. But generally, build wise, everything looks nice and solid. All these parts inside here are metal threaded, so hopefully nothing's going to snap, even though the outside parts are plastic. And with the height adjustment as well, and the power of an electric one over a battery one still wins out at the minute. So overall, really quite a nice little mower with plenty of power. If you just want something dead simple where you're not going to charge a battery or use petrol, this is probably a good choice for you.